Hello and welcome to this session in which we will work the CPA exam simulation that deals with audit procedures and audit evidence. In this simulation, you're going to be giving 18 different audit procedures, 18 different steps, and your job is to select what procedures goes with which type of evidence. We have 8 types of evidence. You should be familiar with the different type of audit procedures. We should have basically around 12 type of different procedures, and we have 8 types of evidence. So we're going to match the procedures to the evidence. On the CPA exam, you would be expect to know this. What procedures go with which evidence? That's very important. That's basics in collecting evidence and evaluating evidence. What you should do, you should pause and look at the procedure. I'm going to have 3 procedures on every slide. Try to match the procedure with the type of evidence, then play the recording and see if you got to the right answer. Let's go ahead and get started by looking at procedure number 1. Observe employees while they count inventory to verify adherence to company procedures. What are you doing? What's the procedure? You are observing. And observing what type of evidence? Well, observing, it's easy. Observing and observation, number 8. Let's look at transaction number 2. Examine a selection of inventory items and document the quantity in the audit record. You are examining asset inventory. Then it's called physical examination, which is the audit evidence is 1. You are examining. Number 3, the procedure is to compute the ratio of sales commission expense to sales, means of testing sales commission accuracy. Well, you are performing a computation. What type of evidence is this? This is analytical procedures. You are using ratios. If you want to look at the remaining audit procedures, please go to farhatlectures.com. You could always obtain a free trial. Take a look, invest in yourself. There's additional lectures, MCQs, true, false, and additional resources that's going to help you, whether you are a CPA exam candidate or an accounting student. Invest in yourself.